Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Ayan, medyo matagal tayong walang reading. Dahil ang sobrang intense ng eclipse season natin. Diyos ko day. Ayan. So, if you're a cardinal signs, ayan, feel na feel nyo yan. So, tingnan natin. Twin flame reading tayo. So, dahil tayo ay under pa rin ng Mercury retrograde, so marami talaga matitrigger ngayon or maa-attempt mag-reach out sa kanilang mga twin flames in separation. So, let's see. So, ayun na nga. We have here the Page of Wands. So, it's about communication, messages from your twin flame. So, we also have here Chariot card, Cancer energy, and this Empress, Libra. And the Knight of Wands. You also have here this Ace of Swords, the Five of Swords, Ten of Wands, the Sun, Leo energy, the Page of Swords, and this Page of Pentacles. So, yung bottom card natin is the Queen of Swords. Okay. So, tingnan muna natin, anong message ng mga archangels natin dito sa twin flame reading na to. Kasi, if you're in separation with your twin flame, ayan, so mabigat din ang pinagdadaanan niya ngayon or yung mga pinagdaanan niya during eclipse season. So, maaaring a strong cardinal signs din. Ayan, we have here Libra, Cancer sign. Meron din tayong Leo sign dito. So, itong taong to ngayon, nagmamasid siya sa'yo eh. Iniisip niya, kung mag-reach out ba siya ngayon, or it's a good idea ba? Pero kasi, during Mercury retrograde, hindi talaga magandang idea mag-reach out sa past person, sa ex, kahit pa twin flame mo yan. So, we have here Breathe by Archangel Raphael. Take several deep breaths and exhale slowly to awaken your energy and to release old patterns. So, kasi ang kailangan muna talaga natin gawin ngayon, ito. I-release natin yung mga negative energy, mag-cleansing, grounding. So, ayan ang ginawa ko during eclipse season kasi talagang sobrang nakaka-drain, sobrang exhausted ang energy, and bilang isang cardinal sign talagang apektado ako nitong nagdaang eclipse season. So, ayan. So, na-attempt siyang kausapin ka. So, tingnan natin mga signs and the symbol cards natin dito. Pero may resistance pa rin, pinipigilan pa rin niya. Maaaring aware siya na hindi magandang idea mag-reach out during Mercury retrograde. Kaya parang pinipigilan niya yung sarili niya dito kahit pa sabihin natin gustong-gusto niyang kausapin ka. So with this Page of Swords, nag-i-stalk lang siya ngayon. We have here the Falling Star. So ayan, during may mga nang mangyayari or nangyayari mga meteor shower, ganyan, may shooting star, mga meteor shower na pwedeng maobserbahan ngayong April. So, marami yan. Ayan, with this falling star, maka-experience ka, makita mo, ikaw mismo maka-experience niya, makita mo yung mga meteor shower during the night. So, we have here the lighthouse. Maring parehas kayo, it's a sign kung parehas kayo, lalo na kung long distance situation kayo and ma-experience nyo yon. So, kasi nga, twin flame journey, so maaaring mirrored souls kayo, parehas kayo nakatingin sa meteor shower and thinking about each other. So, we have here Snail, coins, telephone, knife, and tide. So, maaari may mga twin flame pa na nakatali sa kanilang karmic partner. Kaya, yun, nag-aalangan din talaga silang mag-reach out, makipag-communicate. So, tingnan natin mga messages natin dito. I knew exactly what I was doing. So, parang may mga plano na siya, no? So, parang sinasabi niya, alam naman niya yung ginagawa niya. So, aware naman siya na siguro this person, na-experience na rin niya yung spiritual awakening. Aware na siya sa connection yung dalawa. Pero, it's not the right time pa talaga para magtagpo kayo, mag-meet kayo, magkaharap kayong dalawa. And parehas pa rin kasi kayo. Maraming mga pinapasan ngayon, pagsubok, problema, responsibilidad, maaaring sa work, family. I wish things could be different. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I want to tell you how I feel. Can't stop thinking about you. Pero yun, lagi ka pa rin yung iniisip, naaalala. I love you unconditionally. I'm so attracted to you. And ang bottom card natin dito, the timing just wasn't right for us. So, ayun, hindi pa talaga nga right timing. Divine timing. So, tingnan pa natin. More messages natin dito. Bottom card, waiting for you. Being defensive. I want to grow old with you. You're the fairest of them all. I will fight for you. I'm strong and independent. You're my strength. And this is not over yet. Okay, bottom card, tired and need rest. So, medyo marami pa rin talaga siyang inasikaso, lalo na sa trabaho niya. Medyo hectic ang schedule or marami talagang ginagawa itong taong ito na halos wala na rin siyang time para sa kanyang sarili. So, kuha tayo ng mga initials natin dito. Letter S. Letter D. N. Letter Y. Parang Sandy. Or Sydney. F. Letter Z and U. Bottom card, letter H. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. True love. Uy, may nakuha akong baybayin script. So, nakalagay dito maring message niya talaga ito for you. So, ang nakalagay dito, huwag mo akong sukuan, pakiusap. So, parang nakikiusap siya na huwag kang sumuko dito sa connection yung dalawa, itong twin flame mo. Kasi may mga parang nawawalan na ng pag-asa na maaayos pa, babalik pa, or magmi-meet kayo nitong twin flame nyo. Pero ito, message for you, na huwag niyong sukuan tong connection na to. So, nakikiusap siya. Huwag niyo daw sukuan to. Yan. Gusto niya ipaglaban niyo parehas. So, we have here courage and commitment. So, ayan. Tingnan natin sa general signs and messages. So, we have here intelligent, past person, emotional, mirror, flower, perfect smile, beach, Private person, very loyal. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Mountain, killer smile, trustworthy. Skin tag, sarcastic, attractive, fantastic friend, Luzon, Taurus, March. Ayan. So, may mga nagtatapos pa kasi ng karmic cycle. So, maaaring in the karmic cycle pa sila. Food lover. Very lucky, has a dirty sense of humor. Coins is Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, hilarious, crazy for you, November, cute and chubby, August, and smart. So, ayan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.